If you're not interested in 0% business funding, keep scrolling. All right, now that you're here, we want to make you privy to business lending so that you can scale your business for marketing, inventory, 90-day nets, anything that you need. If you have great credit, we can do it with no documentation, no proof of income. We know what the banks are looking for. They're looking for certain boxes to be checked off. They're looking for you to be designed as a perfect candidate for the 0% funding. And we know how to do that. So we'll put you on an application. You'll learn tips and tricks along the way. You'll get funded and you'll have everything that you need to scale your business.